Everyone, it's me, the Minecraft beginner. Welcome back to another video. This video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your very own custom texture pack. So I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. Now you might think you need some kind of like special program, you need to know coding, all that things, like all those things you see in the hacker movies. But actually no, most of the things that you're going to need is already on your computer. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own custom texture pack. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So first we're going to go to app data. So like if you're on Windows, you can do Windows plus R and type in percentage app data percentage and then hit enter. Then go to .minecraft, then go to versions. So as you can see, there are all the versions. I'm going to make one for 1.8. If you're making for 1.16, you can go ahead. So I will open that, and as you can see, there are some files in here. So you're going to need to this is what we need, the jar file, and we're going to, my dog is screaming, Rambo, be quiet. Anyway, so we're gonna copy this, don't cut it, copy it. Then I'm gonna create a new folder here in my desktop. Let's call it my hack. Hit enter, open it up, and we're gonna paste it there. Next, you're gonna need some kind of like extracting or something like WinZip or WinRAR. I don't know if 7-zip works, but okay. So I'll use WinRAR Achiever, WinRAR, and then so these are basically all the files that run Minecraft. Only one of them is necessary here, which is the assets folder. So we're gonna remove that from here and put it in the folder. Gonna take a while. Okay, it's done now. So now we can close this off and we can delete this. Into the trash bin you go. So as you can see, this asset has all the things. Like you can change the line, the font, models is basically armor. What's blocks? You can basically like, yeah, this is models. So you can go to textures. This is basically everything you need. You have blocks, effects, entities, GUIs. So yeah, let's begin. First I'm gonna edit a few blocks. So for example, anyway, so let's edit this gold block. Now you're gonna need some kind of like software to edit, like Photoshop. Now I think Photoshop is like you need to pay to get it. So like if you have it and you know how to use it, you can use it, you can go for it, you can edit. But if you're like me, can't afford Photoshop, you can use softwares like Paint.net. Now at least from what I think, Paint.net is only for Windows, so not for Mac or Linux. So you're gonna have to find another program. But if you're on Windows, you can use Paint.net. So I'm gonna right click, open with Paint.net. You can also use Paint, but Paint.net is better. So as you can see, it opens up. Yeah, so it's actually very small and you can't of course edit from here. So if you hold Control and zoom in with your scroll wheel, you can actually like zoom in. Yeah. So I'm just gonna make a few changes, like add a nice square here. Like we'll add a square. Boom. Then if you're happy with this, you can do Control S, then click OK, and then it's saved. So as you can see, it's changed here. What other block can I change? How about TNT? Yeah, let's do TNT. So we're gonna go to Paint.net. We're gonna zoom in. Nice. Okay, so let's do this. uh, just do that. Then we'll do nice. Yeah, that's looking nice. Use the color picker to choose this color. Then we'll just fill in everything. There we go. That's some nice unity. Control S. Okay, and then we can exit. Let's edit one of the items. So so like items are here. There are a ton of items. So like now if you want to edit everything, there's a tutorial by Finlay. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. He does it actually like really good. So I link his playlist in the description. So what can we edit? Let's edit this diamond hole. Paint.net. Okay, zoom in. So let's just do a nice red and blue texture like. So let's go with red on the outside. Oops. Boom 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 boom. Then let's do the inside. Nice. Then we do Control S. Okay, and then it is done. Alright, now if you're satisfied with everything, you do need to do a bit more. You can, that's it. Well, not actually. Create a new text document. I'm not going to rename it now. So we need to add a little bit of code. So in the description, it will take you to this website. Not website, page like. So you just copy this code here. Control C. Go to Notepad. After closing that, we'll do control, we'll paste this. Now this number here is very important. This is what is going to make Minecrafting for which version is. So as the wiki says over here, the Minecraft wiki, if you need to put a 1 for if you're making resource pack for versions 1.6.1 to 1.8.9, you need to put a 1 there. If you're making it for 1.9 to 1.10.2, you need to put a 2. If you're making it for 1.11 to 1.12.2, you need to put a 3. If you're making this for 1.13 to 1.14.4, you need to put a 4. For 1.15 to 1.16.1, 5. For 1.16.2 to 1.16.5, you need to put a 6 here. And then if you're making it for the Caves and Cliffs update, which will come around soon, you can put a 7 here. So but if you're watching this like later, like, first of all, hi future people, how is life? And second, the Minecraft wiki gets updated like for every release. So like the wiki will update. So if you're doing this in like the future, you just come here to the wiki and just check it. Okay, so in this case we're making one for 1.8. so we'll basically replace this with a 1. Now this is basically the pack description. This is basically what it tells about the pack. So make sure the quotes are there. So let's call this my pack. Put a nice smiley face, yay. And we're gonna do Control S, and we're gonna rename this to pack.mc meta, and we're gonna click enter. But wait, it still says it's a text document. We need to convert this to a mc meta file. So if you're on Windows 7, here's what you can do. If you're on, I don't know if this works on Windows 10, maybe it's different. So someone in the comment section, if you could like tell how it works on Windows 10, I'll pin your comment. So if you're on Windows 10, you just go here to organize, folders and search options, view, and over here it says hide extensions for known file types. You just untick that, click apply. Okay, then you rename this again So really make sure to grab the txt and then type pack.mc meta, click enter. Windows is gonna like do confirmation, like it might become unstable. It's okay, click yes. As you can see, it's changed to the mc meta file. Now another thing you could add is like a profile pic. So you can basically add one. So I'll basically add one from my photos. So let's add this desert png, copy, go back here. I'm gonna paste this here. Now so we're gonna rename this. Make sure to grab the last thing. I'm gonna call it pack.png. I'm gonna click enter. Again, Windows are going to ask for a confirmation. Yes, click yes. And as you can see, it's turned into a png image. And yeah, your pack is done. So yeah, now we just need to add it to Minecraft. Now first, I'm gonna talk about how you're gonna transport it, because you can't actually send it to a folder, so you need to zip it. So what you could do is you could like right click on the folder, click add to archive, make it a zip, and then click OK. It's gonna add to archive, bear with me, and it's done. But the thing is, you need if you're sending this to your friend or someone, they need to have an extracting file like WinRAR or WinZip. So you need to extract here. Oh my god. Extract here. File already exists. Let's delete that once again. Fresh. Then they're gonna need to extract here. You're gonna extract. After that, they need to go to the resource pack settings, and then they need to put the folder there. But some people may not have the WinZip or WinRAR. So here's what you can do instead. So open it up and select all of them. Then click add to archive. So we're gonna make it a zip. Click OK. So now it's gonna turn it into a zip. Nice. So now let's bring it out. And as you can see here, all the files are in here. So now all they have to do is just after downloading the folder, the zip, they just go to resource packs, roaming Minecraft resource pack, and then just put the zip here, and it works. So now I'm just gonna show how it works. So I'm just gonna delete this one, and now I'm just gonna start up Minecraft. Alright, so let's start up Minecraft. Minecraft's gonna take over. It's started. We're gonna launch with 1.8.9. Gonna click enter the game, and we are going to enter the game. I'll cut to the part where where Minecraft actually starts. Okay, Minecraft has started. So okay, so let's just enable the pack. Let's go to the resource packs, and as you can see, it's over here. The description is also there, so we're gonna just enable it. We're gonna click done. So it's gonna take a while to load, and as you can see, it's done. So we're gonna click done, single player. We're gonna load into a world. Okay, so let me just go into game mode 1. Okay, so as you can see, the TNT is different. So it's the same like how I retextured it, and the gold as well is retextured. As you can see, the gold has that line there. And how can I forget the diamond hoe? Look at this. Look at this. This is so funny. It's red and blue. It's red and blue. That's funny. So yeah, you can edit a lot of blocks like that. Like even I also have a texture pack, my very own. So if I just enable it, I just where is it? There it is. Resource packs. Put that there. Go here. I got a DM. Stop DMing me my mango squash. We're gonna go to resource packs. Let's disable that and enable this. This is my Minecraft pack. It's for mango squash MS. Go subscribe to him, by the way. So it's gonna load up. It's gonna take a very long time because I've changed a lot of things in this pack, and it's done. So as you can see, I've changed a lot in this. So the gold texture, I've added more detail. Actually no, I haven't. I actually copied most of the things from RKY's resource pack. So like the birch leaves. Yeah, I still need to fix that. It's still in progress. The diamond ore, the stone blocks. Yeah. Also, I'm very happy with how the sword has come out. Like I made this. It looking so cool. So yeah, that's my pack, and that is how to create your very own Minecraft resource pack. So thank you guys for watching the video. Subscribe, comment on what like I like reading the comments because I can improve by that, because you guys will be giving me suggestions and stuff. So anyway, bye bye. I'll be seeing you in the next video.